Hello and welcome to the channel. If you want to make sure you never miss our helpful tips, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Today, I'm going to show you a simple trick to save photos and videos on WhatsApp with just one click on both iPhone and Android. Actually, the process is same in both devices. If you've ever noticed a small down arrow on an image or video and wished it could download automatically, this video is for you. First, open WhatsApp and tap on the three dots in the top right corner. Then go to Settings and scroll down to Storage and Data. Here, you'll find Media Auto Download. This feature lets you choose which types of media, photos, videos, or documents should automatically save to your phone. For example, if you want your photos to save automatically, simply check the boxes under when using mobile data and when connected to Wi-Fi. Make sure photos are selected, then confirm. You can also set this for roaming, but remember, using mobile data while roaming may cost extra. Once this is set, any photos or videos you receive on WhatsApp will automatically appear in your gallery without any extra clicks. And that's it. Now you can easily save your favorite WhatsApp media with just one tap. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more quick tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.